Despite teasing the promise of a homicidal schizophrenic shark dressed in drag running a motel, the Japanese horror film Psycho Shark was initially titled Jaws in Japan. That is, until Universal Pictures threatened to sue their asses off.
It's not like either title matters anyway. In a movie that's only 69 minutes long, the shark doesn't show up until 63 minutes in. My fucking shirt has more shark than this movie. If I had my choice between watching Psycho Shark again or watching my shirt, I'd watch my shirt.
September 6th, 2019? Great, a found footage movie from the future. This must be the Minority Report of shark movies. By placing them at the top of the screen, reading the subtitles makes you actually have to watch the movie. Is that found footage from a shark's GoPro? Who cut this into the original found footage and added a score? What the hell is she watching? So this is a shark movie about someone watching a found footage shark movie? Were they attacked by a shark 30 feet on land? This must be one of those crazy Japanese art films where the shark is in her mind or something. Or she's the shark, or the shark was filming, or the shark comes out of the TV because this hotel room was built on a cemetery for sharks and James Cameron moved their fins but didn't move the bodies. Whoa, slow down, movie. You can't just change the position of these subtitles on me. I might miss the credit for whoever was executive in charge of production. No hablo español. Yeah, Godzilla, we know. Sonny Chiba? They don't like Sonny Chiba? Yeah, I love watching movies projected off sand. Oh no, someone might have seen me in my clothes. No one will ever see me changing directly in front of this window. Roughshod, having shoes with nail heads projecting to prevent slipping. So like cleats? She's too cleats to clean? It's 2019 and they still have a cassette player here. The Japanese invent all this technology, but they don't bother to use it. Well, if you excuse me, I think I'll go turn Japanese for a few minutes. I'm trouble, extremely sexy. Somehow it's not as sexy when a guy says it in a monotone voice. Is that a campfire tripod set up over there? What the hell is that? Yes! Faucet Shark, the movie! Just because it's called a bathing suit doesn't mean you actually have to bathe in it. Oh, never mind. Ah, screw it. Mother! Oh God, mother! Blood! Blood! Are those shark feet? What an inconsiderate shark not wearing sandals in the shower. This is my seagull bin. I've been collecting seagulls since dawn. I'll let you folks get back to your movie now. Oh my God, they're watching found footage within the found footage. It's like found footage Inception. Just a little something Pam and Tommy left behind. We're watching a character, watching an out-of-focus shot of the ocean on TV. I suppose it's no worse than watching Tommy Wiseau's The Neighbors.
Whoa.
Alright, well we saw him catching fish earlier, but did he catch that rice and green pepper too? So what this movie's trying to say is, there is no shark in this movie, is there? What is this, real world Japan? Nah, that's shit, do it again. Just admit you slept with a shark, that's what this show's all about. Halfway through this movie and there's still been no mention of a shark, no reference to a shark. What the hell? Why is this called Psycho Shark? Then stop filming this! Hide it under the bed and call it a day! Even before Jaws in Japan, the original title for this movie was gonna be Blow Dryer in Japan, but Revlon threatened to sue.
はいいつものやつ
Hey, some plot, and only 32 minutes in.
いいだろ
Oh, that's neat. He's got a little shark whistle.
あいつもこんだけ小さければ可愛いのにな
I've had this tiger whistle since high school, but it's never worked. Ah!
A shark bites her in the ass and says, "Hey, where's the cream filling?"
Found it.
At this point, just forget it. I would yell shark, but then it might hear me. Thank God it was just a nightmare, because if you're eaten by a shark in your dream, then you're eaten by a shark in real life. Oh my God, what is this movie trying to say? It's like we're stuck in the purgatory of shark movies. If you like shark movies that are just allusions to being shark movies, then Psycho Shark is your shark movie. Oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were a fish. Okay, we get it! He does this! This is a thing that he does! It's a little known fact that sharks love both krill and boobs. Can't really pad this movie out much longer. If we ever intended to actually show a shark, then I guess now would be the time. The hell? Pretty good disappearing act. So I guess the shark didn't want to eat a Japanese emo hippie. I mean, I wouldn't want to pick this guy out of my teeth later either. And God said, "Let there be sharks." Holy shit. I'll just toss my camera over by this pre-bloodied rock. Oh no, you stay away from there. No psycho crab is gonna start this movie over again if I have anything to say about it. Dick. Bobby White, fuck you.
I told you watching this shirt was better than watching this movie. What the hell? Oh.